Welcome to your morning yoga flow designed to stretch, strengthen, and invite energy into your full body. With the hands on the knees in a comfortable position, join me in taking circles to the right, really tapping into any tension or tightness in the body. Exhale to neutralize and going the opposite direction, welcoming a 3-count breath in through the nose. Exhale it away, being intuitive with any movement in the shoulders and really finding what you need within this movement in the shoulders. Inhale, both hands reach up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand to the knee. Right hand can reach back for a set of blocks or reaching back to the earth. You can exhale, unwind, and deepen the stretch as you stack head over heart over hips and taking this seated twist at your own page, at your own pace as we release any tension and align our body and invite a sense of ease and calm that will follow with us throughout this lovely day. Inhale, back to center, both hands reach up. Exhale, opposite hand. Right hand reaches to the knee, left hand reaches behind, and you can take this at your own pace if you want to stay more still. That's wonderful. If you would like to exhale and float out and then deepen the stretch with me, you may do so. Welcome a breath that feels detoxifying to you, and then send it away. Lovely. Welcome that breath in. Wonderful. Coming and meeting in a tabletop position or a hands and knees position. And don't be afraid to use any sort of props or blocks. They're always helpful. Exhale, stacking hands below shoulders and rocking side to side in a way that warms up the wrists. You can even bring this movement back into the hips, really waking up those wrists this morning. Wrists walk out to the sides and stretch and maybe walking in towards your body. This might not be as accessible. Just find what you need, finding the movement that feels good, returning the hands back, facing the short edge of the mat, and really just rocking into the shoulders, the elbows, really creating this good morning wake up sensation in the shoulders and the wrists. You can walk the hands towards you if that is in your reach. And then inhale, the palms of the hands can face up towards you. So exhale, release the head towards the mat, almost like you're doing this weighted push-up. Full body roll comes down. It might not be as accessible to keep the hands towards you, and that's fine. Exhale, hands facing the short edge of the mat. For cow and cats, really arching through the spine, tucking chin towards tail, and then flexing, finding what you need in your cow and cat. Lovely. Inhale to a bear stance, walking the feet towards the hands and stepping them back. So hovering, hugging through the belly, stepping in towards the wrist, and then stepping back. Exhale, find strength in your core. Find a new energy. Invite strength into your core by walking back and coming down to the knees and creating figure eights within the hips, within the shoulders. Lovely work. Full body wave reaches back to a downward facing dog, pedaling out the heels. And don't be thinking about where your heels are in proximity to the mat. Find what your body needs as you flip perspective for this new day. Exhale, pressing the body, finding a little stillness as you walk the feet towards the hands. And it might not be so perfect or pretty because it usually is not. I love a set of blocks here for Uttasana, a forward fold. If this is really being restrictive in the back of the calves and the hamstrings, you can bend the knees, wiggle out the shoulders, wiggle out the hands. You can ragdoll, grabbing opposite elbows and sway side to side, tapping into any tension or tightness in the neck. Inhale, raise for half of a flat back. Inhale, as you exhale, fold it forward. Lovely. Inhale, root to rise for a Tadasana in a standing posture. Hands meet in a Namaste Mudra at the top of the mat, my lovely light. bending back into the body, into the hips, and then inhaling the right knee up, wiggling out, rolling out the ankle, being okay with any cricks or pops. Hands can meet in a Namaste mudra. Send the heel back for a standing lunge. Hands reach in that Namaste mudra up, creating a gentle back bend, finding strength within the mountains. Inhale in your standing posture. You can always come down to the knee, whatever's in your practice, my lovely light. Find a variation that works best for you. Exhale the hands and then cross over to the opposite knee. Hand can hook on the knee. If this is not in your practice, the knee can come down. The forearm can also cross across the top of the bent leg. Finding a twist in your lunge, welcoming a healing breath in and sending it away. Exhale, stepping that foot forward for a pose, keeping your body in that twisted position. Again, that forearm can reach across the leg if this twist is not as accessible to you. Finding balance in your bottom and the front of the body as you exhale, forward fold, resetting yourself up, wringing out the hips a little bit. Lovely, heavy the head. Inhale, half flat back raises up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to your lovely mountain, bringing the hands, palms kissing palms, into a Namaste mudra. Now opposite knee reaches up. Inhale, find balance, using that right foot to ground down and then reaching that left foot back here. You might find your balance is a little different on both sides, and that is okay for a standing lunge. Knee can always come down to the earth. Hands can reach up for a more focused variation. Find focus within yourself by inhaling to 3, exhaling to a count of 5. Inhale to 3, exhale to 5, lovely light. Allowing your mind and body to find focus. Wonderful. Exhale for that twisted variation. So the forearm can reach for the thigh or it can twist around, whatever is in your practice. Don't be hard on yourself. There's always different variations because our bodies are different. Find a new focus point, a drishti. Welcome the breath in. Really hug through the inner thighs. That hind calf, if it's hard to balance here, you can ground it down to the earth, or you can keep it hovering up off of the mat, your choice. Welcome focus into your body, being okay by feeling the heat, stepping the opposite foot forward for a chair pose. Again, that arm can reach across, or you can come in for this twisted chair, really finding that resistance between the hands and pushing apart, finding length in the sit bones to the top of the head, welcoming that 3 count in as you exhale, forward fold. Inhale, raising half of a flat back. Exhale, full forward fold, root to rise to your Tadasana, and then shake it on out. Oh my goodness. Find a little movement in your body. Get a little weird with me. Wiggle out. Notice any tension or tightness as you inhale it up. Exhale, shake it down. Inhale, gather that tension and tightness. Shake it on down, my lovely. Inhale, find a new energy that you want to create today. Exhale it down. Inhale, gather all that yuck. Shake it down. Inhale, bring it up. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Exhale, shake it down. You can inhale, feel that muck or mire. One hand can reach up and swipe it down. Inhale with a lively energy. Move it down. Inhale, bring it on down. Find a little fluidity and a freedom in your own body expression to move the energy in your body and welcome this beautiful day. Inhale, shake it on out. Shaking just really allows our nervous system to reset. It allows us to find more alignment in the body and move through some of this tension and tightness and create a new vital energy for today. So you can come up on the front toe pads and just shake it on down like you're sending all of that negative energy, that yucky gucky energy down to the earth. If it helps, you can raise the hands up and then send it down. Use a breath that really invites us a sense of movement. Inhale it up, love. Send it down. Yes, you've got this. Send it down. Awaken your energy. You can wipe away, swipe away any stagnant or stuck energy. Just move it on down. Realign your energy. And let's start this day as a fresh start, a chance to be born again. Inhaling to a wide leg, lovely light. Inhaling, taking up space, being the beautiful bright light and star that you know that you are. Creating an energetic space and a bubble around you, putting protection around you for this day as we bend into the knees, toes point towards the corners of the mat for a goddess squat. Hands come in a palms, kissing palms. And you can play here. You can lift the front toe pads off of the mat on either side. Find a little bit of fluidity and movement that allows you to stretch, to feel strong, to realign your body and your mind, to help awaken this sense of calm and this ability to be centered and embrace this beautiful day that is ahead of you. You can bring the hands towards the thighs. Exhale, right shoulder reaches towards the opposite leg, creating this lovely side stretch. Feeling any tension or tightness as you breathe through it into the hips. Send it away. Come back to center. Good. Exhale, opposite shoulder. So left shoulder now reaches towards the right knee. Find what you need here. Tapping into any tension or tightness. Allow that breath to be your healing conduit. As you exhale, forward fold. The toes can now face the long edge of the mat. Blocks can be a lovely helper here. Notice any tension or tightness that you might have been gathering in your neck and do your best to alleviate it, to allow it to soften. And however it feels for you, come to your lovely knees and meet on your bottom. As you meet yourself in your bottom, you can grab for your blocks if that feels good for you. Support can always be a friend here. And this is a variation for a lovely boat pose. So if your abdominal muscles are struggling, you can put your heels on the block. If you want to try something a little bit different here, you can carve a V with the body. Shoulders go back. Create this strong V. Hug the knees in towards the body. Release them. Lengthen the palms up. You can point the toes or exhale the toes towards the sky. Find strength in your body by affirming I am strong. Exhale it away. Welcome the breath in. The blocks again can always be here as your friend. Welcome that breath into the body. Find strength in your core. Good. You can exhale and lengthen back or a grand old timber back to your back, my lovely light, readjusting your body, hugging the knees in for a double wind reliever Apanasana. You can use each knee as a separate entity, or you can bring the knees in a unison sense, as in yoga, which is the union, the joining of your mind, your body, and your spirit. A lovely practice to start this day today. And you can reach in towards the shins or ankles or feet for a happy baby, a lovely laying hip opener. You can turn this into a joyful baby with a smile, and you can rock side to side here. And exhale that breath away. Finding what you need, being intuitive in your movement here on the mat. You can bring soles of the feet, kissing soles of the feet for a laying butterfly as we set up for our Savasana, our final pose of surrender. Calling on tension and tightness, holding it in the fists and the bottom, and then exhale it away. Holding all tension and tightness, collecting it, creating fists, and then relieving it. Inhale, collecting and gathering, feeling that tightness we all create, and alleviate, let go as you soften through the head, relax through the neck and the shoulders, softening through arms and hands, allowing a wave of relaxation that washes down through your chest, softening the belly and the navel, relaxing the back and the bottom, letting go of muscular effort in the legs, softening through the feet, welcoming a healing breath as you inhale the feet back up to a movement that can alleviate the lower spine. And you can do some laying windshield wipers, or you can lengthen and stretch the body, long full body stretch. Inhale, hug it in. Option to stay on the back or meet me on the side, and you can receive or just hold these beautiful affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. Today is going to be an amazing day. Today is going to be an amazing day. Today is going to be an amazing day. Hug it in. Meeting me in a seated position with your eyes closed. You can meet your hands, palms, kissing palms at your hearts, or palms up, receiving new energy as you welcome a healing breath in. Exhaling it away, ready to start this beautiful day. Integrating the breath back into the body. Bringing the palms, kissing palms to the heart center. And truly today, I hope that you have an incredible day. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my lovely. Have a beautiful day. I will see you back here very soon.